New Delhi, the 28th of October 2007. 25,000 landless peasants are gathered at the Ram Leela ground. They came from all over India. They walked during 4 weeks. They walked 350 kilometers together from Gwalior to give to the government the people's verdict, the Janadesh. 60 years after Mahatma Gandhi, Janadesh is the largest non-violent gathering since the independence struggle.
My name is Rajagopal and I am the president.
During 4 months, we traveled across India to tell this adventure. From Chambal Valley, where Rajagopal and his non-violent companions succeeds in convincing some 500 gangsters to surrender their weapons in front of Gandhi's picture. From the stone careers of Tiruchirappalli, where he rehabilitates former families of slaves, to the Ram Leela ground, where the landless peasants are coming to make the people's verdict heard and get the recognition of their rights. We are now entering the next steps of production. Facing the actual tightening related to copyright combined with information technologies,
on est sur une confiscation et sur le fait que quelques personnes décident et que toute expérience de partage est détruite.
We launched the Then You Win project in order to propose to the public and medias the possibility to turn to more permissive solutions through Creative Commons licenses by freeing step by step the rights of use of these documentaries. First, no freedom in particular, just default all rights reserved. Then, the freedom to copy and distribute. Then, the freedom to modify. Then, for any kind of use.